See the baseball diamonds out there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Where you see the 4 brown circles. Those are, you know, the first, second, and third base and home plate. That'd be, if it's the one, that's the L.
Oh, that's, yes, yeah. It's a typical L.
That's right, and it goes, you see the Chicago L? That's what they call it. That's the commuter train. Yeah. It's so gamble, yeah.
No, you don't.
You don't?
No, don't pay anything. You just get beaten. Once you go there, you can finish all your money, but don't pay anything.
There's no way.
No.
I'll be right back.
Okay. No, you don't pay anything. It's free.
It's free, and then you leave all your money.
You leave all your money. There's free food. Free buffet lunch.
Because they know you never win, or at least you win the first time.
Yeah. The majority of the people lose anyway. So,
that's a date, eh?
Everything is free.
That's a date.
Imagine you got that bus later already from the airport. I'm talking about the Hammond.
And the way you say it.
Unique in that it's lighter at the top than at the bottom. Also on the U of I campus is Art House, which was opened as a settlement house in 1889 to serve the needs of the poor urban community. Art House was the home of Jane Addams, the first American woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize. Below you on the right, 560,000 square foot multi-use facility